In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage bookmarks in Brave. Bookmarks are a simple way to keep your favorite sites just a click away, and Brave makes the process quick and flexible. Let's start with adding a new bookmark. When you're on a page you want to save, look to the right of the address bar for the bookmark icon. It looks like a small banner or flag. Click it and a panel will appear so you can customize your bookmark. You'll see a name field. This is what will show up on your bookmarks bar or in your folders. Taking a moment to shorten or clarify the name will make it much easier to spot later. Below that, you can pick a folder. Choose the folder that makes the most sense for how you like to organize: work, learning, shopping, or anything else you use frequently. When you're happy with the name and location, confirm to save. If you prefer the keyboard, press Ctrl+D to open that same panel instantly. Next, let's make your saved sites easy to reach by showing the bookmarks bar. This bar sits directly under the address field, so your bookmarks are always in view. To turn it on, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Bookmarks, then select Show Bookmarks Bar. Choose Always for constant visibility. With that setting enabled, your bookmarked pages appear as clickable buttons, so you can open what you need without digging through menus. This is especially handy for links you use every day, like dashboards, docs, or news. When your list grows, it's helpful to keep things tidy, and that's where the Bookmark Manager comes in. Open it from the same Bookmarks menu to see your entire collection in one place. Here you can review everything you've saved, rename items that aren't clear, move bookmarks into the right folders, and remove ones you no longer need. A little organizing goes a long way. Group related sites together and keep the names short and descriptive so they're easy to scan. As you build your library, try to keep a consistent structure. Use folders that match how you think about your work or hobbies, and place your most important links in the bookmarks bar so they're front and center. Every so often, take a minute in the Bookmark Manager to clean up duplicates and move older items out of the way, so the links you rely on stay quick to access. That's it. Add bookmarks with the icon or Ctrl+D, name them clearly and choose a folder, show the bar, and set it to Always for constant visibility, and keep everything organized in the Bookmark Manager. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.